Hello everyone, welcome back to Ingrid Joy Aromas. Today I just want to show you how to make an eyelash serum. Do it yourself. Today this video is not about a lot of talking, but just read and watch what I'm doing. You can make your own serum. You can also put this into a dropper bottle, and but today I'm just using a 1 ounce bottle, and I'm gonna be using different oils into 3. I think I have 7 bottles here, and then I'm going to be doing different oils in one for serum. So here I'm going to be showing you this oil for serum. You can also use your favorite oil for your lashes. Also, just you can see I have my gloves on here, guys, already, and I'm ready to go. So just sit back and do some reading. So today video is not about a lot of talking, but a lot of reading. So you can actually take some note as well, guys. As you can see, I have different oils here, and I want you to see what I'm doing. So just follow along as I go. Yes, as you can see, I have a 1 ounce bottle I'm using here. Just make sure when you're prepping, you have all your stuff with you, so you don't have to be running around looking for your things. So today I'm using castor oil, I'm using fractionated coconut oil, I'm using vitamin E, and I'm using lavender. But today I'm going to be using 2 different oils. I'm going to be using fractionated coconut oil, and I'm going to also using a little boba oil in 2 of these that I'm doing. So guys, go ahead and try your different oils. I know a couple of times what I do is I just use a fractionated coconut oil, and I just use fractionated coconut oil and I mix it with the castor oil. And what I do is just mix them all together, put them into a dropper bottle, and I just get 1 drop, put it on the back of my hand, rub it in, and rub it on my lashes. And what's happened to me a lot is when I use my mascara, the mascara that I use is yes, so the mascara that I use is I believe too strong or too thick. So I have to start making my own mascara, because what it's doing to my lashes, it just chopping, guys, just chopping off my lashes. And so it is so hard to go back and, you know, to try to regrow your lashes again. And that is not cool after I try so much to grow my lashes, and then this is what happened. You can also, if you have your favorite oils, you can also use it to make your own lashes. Like, these oils are really good. I'm gonna put in up a couple oils here that you can actually use, So this person actually wanted some lashes with different rubs for some with different oils in it. So she already tried these oils already, so this is how I'm going back to do all these different oils for her. So yeah, stay tuned guys, and just read and just try for yourself. If you have questions, I'm always here to answer your questions. And yeah, just try it. My daughter tried these lashes DIY. So they're working for her, and they also work for me. So as always, when you're using oils, always do a patch test. And if you're using essential oils, do not use essential oils just like how you get it from the store. Always just had it to different oils that you're going to be using. You need it to be concentrate, because essential oils are very strong. And as you can see, with what I'm doing here, I'm using these dropper, and what I'm doing is also just drop them in a bottle, and then I'm gonna be tapping it off with different oils that I know is good for your lashes. So go ahead guys, and try this lashes, this oil for your lashes. And always do a patch test. Always do a patch test. Anything you're doing, do a patch test. You never know if it will burn you or what, but always try to do a patch test. With the lashes, what you can do is just take just a small amount and put it on top of your lashes, and see how it works for a day or two before you actually do anything else. Like I said, I'm going to be putting up some information for you, and I hope this helps. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel guys. Don't forget to share as well, and do some commenting. I'm here to answer all your questions. If you need me to give you some different oils that you can use, let me know. As you can see, these oils are really good too for scalp, for your hair. So because you're using this and your lashes is a hair, it's also good for your hair as well, your scalps. So you can go ahead and do these, use this oil and your hair as well. All right, hope this helps, guys. Do some reading, do some research. There is so much information out there. Hope everyone is having a blessed day. Don't forget to check up on each other, and don't forget about family. Family is always come first. Depends on how you see family. All right, stay tuned for the next video. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye for now.